Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Goddess Provision box. So we're going to dig into the box, but if you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Guys, so as always, I always welcome anyone new to my channel. So welcome, my name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings, shopping hauls, unboxing of mystery boxes, beauty subscription boxes, all of that fun beauty content related stuff on my channel. So if you like stuff like that, I would say subscribe to your girl's channel and please become a part of my YouTube family. As always, if you ever want to give back, the best way you can do it is just giving me a simple thumbs up. It really helps the channel. So that's all I can ask for. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you know every single time I upload a new video. Alrighty, so we're going to get into the box. So this is still a new box on my channel, so I like to still explain it a little bit. So let's go over what the box is. Okay, so the box is only $33 a month, which is very reasonable price. You're supposed to get a mix of 5 to 7 full-size items, such as crystals, which I love, apothecary beauty, which I love, superfood snacks, which I love, aromatherapy, which I love, and tools for spiritual growth, which I love, and tea, which I love. These are all things that I love. So when I found out about this box, I had to get it. Like literally every single thing I love. Like I look forward to this box every single month. Alrighty, one thing I love about this box is that for every box sold, they plant a tree. They partner with Trees.org, which I think is like amazing. So not only are you paying for a box, but a tree is being planted. That's amazing. Also, it says each box is a value of $80 to $100 in each box. It says each box features unique and limited edition products made by brands we love. Wow, wow, wow. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Alrighty, so without further ado, let's get into the box. So this side has like my shipping stuff. Well, I crossed it out, but this is what the actual box looks like. It's the same on the front and the back. I always love the inside of the box, and this is like your sneak peek. And let's just get into the box. Now, on the bottom of the box, they always have the card. I don't know why they always put it at the bottom. I'm guessing maybe they don't want people to spoil the surprise, but there is a card. It's always at the bottom. Alrighty, so let's dig in. Let's dig in. The first thing I see here is a Cosmic Body Vital Smile 4-in-1 Tooth and Gum Elixir. This is a little weird. This is kind of random. What is it? A tooth and gum elixir? Let me take the plastic off so we can look at it together. Okay, so this is interesting. Normally, like, I love everything, but this is kind of like a one-off. Like, this is a little odd, and I don't know why they would choose this for the box, but nevertheless, it's an oil that you're supposed to rinse your mouth with and then spit it out. It says you're not supposed to swallow this. But I don't know how I feel about like rinsing my mouth with an oil. It says removes impurities, improves breath, strengthens teeth and gums, boosts oral health. So that's what it looks like. I don't know about that, guys. I've loved all of my boxes, but like it's not starting off too well. Let me get the card for this because I'm curious to see what they say, what this has to do with anything. Okay, so this is the card here. And then it tells you everything that you get in your box. Oh, I mean, I kind of get it, this theme. of the box is called Cosmic Inspiration. So I guess that's why they gave this, because it says Cosmic Body, but they just put the name on that. It's just the actual product has nothing to do with cosmic. So nevertheless, we're going to keep on going. The card says we are all in this together. So that's what the card looks like that they gave us, which is kind of cute. Okay, and then, yeah, that's really about it. And then that's everything that you got in the box. So I'm curious, let me see what they say about this because I am lost. It says, this refreshing coconut oil blend is made with peppermint, cinnamon, rosemary, and clove to leave your mouth sparkling like stars. Use it for oil pulling. Use it for oil pulling or as a mouthwash alternative. I mean, they do give like body roll-ons and stuff like that, but like something for your teeth is just a little odd to me. Let me smell it. It does smell very minty, but I don't know if I don't know if I'm going to use this. Maybe I'll put this, maybe somebody will use it. One of my subscribers will use it. I could put this in a box with my giveaways and stuff like that. So you guys can let me know if you're interested in that. All right, so let's hope there's other better things in here. So let's keep it moving. I do see a crystal, and you can't go wrong with a crystal. So let's see what crystal I got. This is what the crystal looks like. I do not know what this crystal is. And even if I did, I'm not saying anything anymore because the crystal community will come for you on my channel if I say anything wrong. I remember I said one thing wrong and somebody was like,
actually, you know, blah, 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 blah. This is supposed to be for that, and blah, blah, blah.
And I'm like, if you watch my channel, clearly you're just new to my channel because I said that I'm still new to crystals. Like, I love crystals, but I'm not saying I know everything about crystals. I get this box because I want to learn about it. And I think it's great that you can like learn about, that's how you learn about things, because I don't know what this crystal is. So now I'm about to read about it. It's a blue tiger's eye, which I do have a tiger's eyes bracelet, but I forgot that there's like, you could get other colors. I think you can get a red one too, but don't come for me, crystal community, if I say something wrong. I said I think, I didn't say I know, but this is a blue tiger's eye. But yeah, let's just be nice. Some people get so, you know, this is a peaceful channel, positive energy, positive vibes. That's the only type of subscribers or people I want on my channel. Please and thank you. Alrighty, back to the video. So let's read about blue tiger's eye. It says, meditate with this stone to clear your mind and open to cosmic truths that are unclouded by emotion. Its calming energy will help you feel grounded, empowered, and protected. Very nice. We could all use that in our lives. Alrighty, so what is this? Now I get everything is cosmic themed, so I'm guessing that's why this was like blue. Everything's like blue, cosmic skies. So this is cosmic cacao. Am I saying that right, guys? Don't come for me. I said that wrong. It says Elixir Powder. So what is this for? It says enjoy out of this world mood boost each time you brew a cup of this superfood concoction that features cacao, chaga, ashwagandha, cinnamon, ginger, maca, and lucuma. Sip with intention. I cannot pronounce half of the stuff that was here, so please don't come for me. I have no idea what's ashwagandha. That's interesting. I have no idea what any of these things are in here, so I don't know if I want to like make a, is this like a tea? Or I don't think it's like a tea. It's like a, I don't know. But I probably won't use this. So if somebody, I'm probably going to give these two things away because I don't know. So far, I'm not love this. Out of all the boxes, this is the only one where I'm not really loving too much. But there's still hope. There's still a lot of things left in the box. So let's keep on going. Alrighty, so this looks like, I don't know. What is this? Oh my, this box is not doing too good today. This is supposed to be a bookmark. It's like a piece of like flimsy little... Not feeling this, but this is a bookmark. I mean, I love bookmarks, but this is like, it could have been a better quality bookmark. We do pay $33 for the box, so, you know, they could come a little, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but let's see. It says, save your spot in your favorite book of your journal with this galactic guide. Reserve your time for truth-seeking instead of searching for where you left off. I don't know. They could have gave us a little better quality of a bookmark, but I mean, I get the whole galactic theme of the bookmark. It's a beautiful bookmark, but it's just very like cheapy flimsy, you know? Alrighty, next thing. What is this here? Oh, I think I got something that I already got already. I don't know. We'll go. I'm jumping ahead. I'm sorry, guys. What is this? This is what? I don't know. Let's read and find out. So this says it's a cosmic message journal. Keep track of all your astral insights and cosmic inspirations. The silky soft cover and 40 dotted pages display a 12 zodiac constellation to remind you that each sign has guidance for you. It's a $15 value, they said. I forgot to give you guys the prices of everything. The bookmark was a $9.50 value. This Lab Cosmic Cacao, I hope I'm saying this right, that was a $15 value. This was a $9 value. The crystal was a $4 value. Alrighty, so, I mean, I like the book. It looks like it's black and pink, so I like the colors of the actual book, but it feels like a cheap flimsy, cheap flimsy book. They put like created by Goddess Provisions team on the back. Just a plain book. Like there's not even like lines on it. I guess you're supposed to write on the dotted lines. I'm guessing. Can you guys see the lines? You can't really see on camera the lines. I'm sorry. I tried to show you guys, but it doesn't look like it's showing on camera. Yeah, I don't know about that. I mean, will I use it? I won't use it, but I don't know. Alrighty, so that's most of this box. There's nothing that I really was like liking so far, to be honest with you. Let's see what this is. So it looks like some type of banner. Oh, it's like a little banner. Okay, it's a big banner, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it all in frame. As you guys can see, it's pretty big. It says, Zodiac Wall Hanging. Hang this cosmic decor in your secret space and allow the astral energies of lunar phase and zodiac constellation to excite your spirit. That's kind of cute. It's still, the quality looks cheap. I mean, you only pay $33 for the box, but I mean, there's other subscription boxes where you pay $25 or $35 and you get like, you feel like you get your money's worth. This still feels like a little cheapy, to be honest with you. But it's cute. It's still cute. Oh my god, my thing, is this broken? I'm so sad. Oh, I guess I could just put it back on. Alright, I was just about to cry. I'm like, it's broken. Alright, so that's that. That's okay. It's okay. The last thing I got is, it says build your own deck. This looks like it's Series 1 of Oracle cards. Now, I'm not really into like Oracle cards or tarot cards and stuff like that. Like, I'm just more into like crystals and stuff like that. So I'm probably going to give this away. But I don't know, should I open it? If I'm gonna, I mean, you guys probably want to see it, so, but I'll open it so you guys can see what it is. But I'm not really into like that aspect of things. but I'll just open it so you guys can see. So it looks like it just has like your sign on these cards. I don't even know how these go because like I said, I'm more like a crystal person, but it just has like your sign, like Pisces, Aquarius, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Scorpio. It just has like your signs on them. I'm a Virgo, which is coming up. Virgo season started already. Woohoo! It says Virgos are supportive. This is very true. That could be a good thing and a bad thing. Your girl is too supportive at times. We're reliable. That is a fact on fact on fact. And it says we're meticulous. Ain't that the truth? Ain't that the truth? Any of my subscribers who are Virgo, like this is us to a T. So it just tells you like what each sign is on the bottom. I like the little prints on the back, like the designs on the back. I was trying to think of the word to say. Very cute. But that's really about it. What you guys think about this box? Any of you guys subscribe to it? Let me know in the comments down below. And then guess what I'm doing, guys? Guess what I'm about to do? Can you guys guess? You guys give up? I'm gonna film how I store and house all of my skincare. Not all of it, but the majority of it. So I do keep some of my skincare in my beauty room because like I just have so much. And I do keep some of my skincare in my master bathroom as well. But the majority of my skincare, you guys will get to see my organizational skills. It's okay, it's nothing crazy. And I also will be doing a giveaway next video. I'm gonna be giving away a whole bunch of skincare to one lucky subscriber of mine. So make sure you subscribe to my video. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you give your girl a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And I'll see you guys all in my next video.